Hi everyone, welcome to the second video of Selenium Python video series. In this video, we are going to talk about locators. So let's get started. This is the website which we are going to use for our test automation practice purpose. If you see this website, here we may see different kind of elements or different kind of contents. For example, here I have some image, I have some link text, I have some text, then I have some input fields, then we have some buttons, etc. Similarly, if you visit some other website, you may see different kind of further different kind of web elements in that different web page. For us humans, it is easier to locate or identify what are all the elements that are present in this website. For example, here for us, while testing this web page, we can easily say this is the username input field, this is the password field, and this is the sign in button, etc. Similarly, I can differentiate the different elements or different kind of web elements. But if you see the same thing from the perspective of program, our Selenium Python program cannot directly identify the web elements of this web page. So here comes the picture of locators. So what locators does is, locators help our Selenium Python program to identify the web elements that are present in this web page.